Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing another set of edge nails for you all in detail, but I am working on my right hand, so I'll be using my non-dominant hand. So I'm also doing a review video for you, but that will be a bit later on in the video for the nail art. So I've just got my nail form here and I'm using these ones from Crystal Nails. I'm just applying that form to my thumb. I've already got the crease there, as you can see, and I've cut out a little triangle so that it fits perfectly to my thumbnail, or underneath my thumbnail. So here is, I've already applied nail prep, to my nails, which I used my Miss You Beauty primer to the nail there. And now I'm just using my clear acrylic liquid and powder, also from Miss You Beauty. Don't forget, I do have a Miss You Beauty coupon code to get 10% discount for you all off their website, so check that out. It's Beautified10. It will also be in the description box along with the links to any products that I use. So I'm just applying the acrylic to the edge of the nail here. I'm just extending my natural nail out, and I just bring it out to a point, and I pat down the sides as well, because you want the sides of that nail to be perfectly straight. And then I just build up the rest of the nail. With each bead I just get that a little bit closer to the cuticle, of course taking care not to touch the cuticle. So just apply that, and then I just stroke it down the nail to make sure that my nail is perfectly smooth to cut down on any filing that I have to do later on. So just pat the sides again, like I said, just to make sure they're lovely and straight, ready for filing. So I just start out with my hand file here from Miss You Beauty, and I file the left part of the nail and then I just file along the tip of the nail, or the free edge, make sure that everything is all in a straight line, and then I go down the side wall of this nail in a straight line again, because you want straight lines for the edge nail. And then I go along the side of the nail just to make sure that's lovely and straight and round the cuticle. So I'm applying this gel polish from Miss You Beauty. It's a neon pink and it's 01, and I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favourite colours that I have. So just apply, this is the first coat, just apply that to each of the nails, which I then cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm just going in with my second coat again, which I cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so, because I'm going to be applying some chrome to my nails, I'm just applying my non-wipe UV gel top coat that I got from Miss You Beauty. So I apply that to all of my nails and then I cure them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to apply my chrome to my nails. I just apply it to my forefinger and my ring finger as a couple of feature nails. I did do a review on this last week. If you would like to check that out, feel free to look back into my videos. There will be a link to that at the end of this video also, so don't forget to check that out. Absolutely adore this chrome. Last week I did it over a black gel polish. And I just wanted to see what it would look like over a different colour, and I absolutely love it. It went like, I don't know, like almost like a rose gold. I don't know, it was gorgeous, I loved it. So here is my dotting gradient pen brush, which I also received from Beauty Big Bang. You also get some four extra heads just to replace the ones that are already on the pen. How gorgeous is that? And then I got some French nail sticker guides. There was 24 in this, 24 sheets, so they had wavy lines and hearts and different things like that, as you can see, to do like the French design on your nail. Excuse, the camera went blurry and I don't know why. We've got circles here, some more wavy lines, some chevrons, some really squiggly lines. They're gorgeous, absolutely love them. I hope you can pick them up on the camera, the look of these stencils, they're so cute. So yeah, there's loads to choose from, absolutely gorgeous. Little drops there, and I chose the hearts, which you will see, so there's some lovely stars. They're the ones I chose, absolutely love them. So 24 pieces, so loads to choose from. So in order to use these, I just used some acrylic paint, some white acrylic paint, just popped it on the backing paper of a nail form. Using my tweezers, I just peeled off the little stencil there and I placed it on my nail just in a random position. And yeah, just applied them to my thumb, my middle finger and my little finger as well. So I dabbed some of the acrylic paint onto my dotting pen here and just dotted that onto the centre of those hearts. I just made sure that I got the excess paint off that pen as well, because you don't want it blobbing all over the stencil. So yeah, so I had to replace this heart. I messed up on it, but anyways, still looks cute. So as you can see, I do dot off the excess paint there and just plop it into the centre of my heart. And I just peel this off here with my tweezers and reveal my little heart. So there is a little bit of acrylic paint on the outside, but with my brush and a little bit of nail polish remover or acetone, I just wiped away any mistakes that I've made. And again, here we go, just reveal the heart. There's a little bit of a mistake, again just wipe it away and it's as good as new, and I loved it. I was so pleased with these hearts. I think they're gorgeous, they're so cute, perfect for Valentine's Day that's coming up soon, eventually. So now I just apply some top coat to all of my nails, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. here are my nails all finished, and I've applied my top coat, which I cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So these products that I have received, I'll just zoom out there for you, sorry, from Beauty Big Bang. The first one is the it's a double-ended silicone head. It's washable, it's, you know, you can clean it. I haven't done that yet, but you can also use it as a rhinestone pen because it's silicone. So yeah, but I used it for the gradient to do my hearts. Those are £4, that is £4.42, and with that you get 4 extra heads to go with it to replace it. So that was lovely, I was very pleased with those. Then the 24 sheets of stencil tips and things like that. These are £2.94 and you get 24 sheets. So there's lots of different designs to choose from. I went for the hearts, which I absolutely loved. So yeah, I was very, very pleased. And the chrome pigment, which I reviewed for you last week, that is £2.21, and this is the chrome here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it sparkle. I love it. So I will leave links to all of those items in the description box for you to check out, along with my coupon, my 10% discount code for you all. If you'd like to see this set of nails, the video for that will be in the description box. It was last week's set of nails, so don't forget to check that video out as well. So I hope you enjoyed my review, everybody, with these nails. So just to finish off, I just want to show you how I would clean this tool here. I've got my cotton wool pad. I've just put some acetone on it. You can use soap and water, but I'm just using acetone because it's what I have handy at the moment, and I'm just wiping the end of the silicone tool here, and it's lovely and clean, ready for my next use. So I really hope you enjoyed watching my video this week, guys, and I will put all the links in the description box to everything I used today. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.